Women are a major focus this election year, and Wednesday in Findlay, Ohio, that's exactly who the Romney campaign targeted.
I love the women of America. We've come a long way, baby. We really have.
Ann Romney touched on many issues. At the forefront of those, job creation.
We heard about how many women are struggling in this economy right now, more than the men are. Women, you need to wake up.
The crowd was excited and energized as they raised signs saying Ohio believes. But the issues that drove home most were all about the economy.
I love the way she talks about the economy. The Romneys and the Ryans are concerned about the economy, which affects all of us women. Without the economy doing well, none of us can do well, nor can our children.
For the college students listening, they believe Governor Mitt Romney can help them when they graduate.
If Romney doesn't get president, I really don't know what will happen to the economy. The debt is already increasing. So.
Women for Mitt is one way the Romney campaign is really pushing for those female votes that political analysts speculate will be a big deciding factor in this year's election. In Findlay, Ohio, I'm Stephanie Parkinson.